Hey, welcome to Luxury Mojo, where you can stay up to date with the latest motivation to grow up financially and cultivate a millionaire lifestyle. Many investors are searching for growing companies to back them up. But above-market growth opportunities demand above-market rates, and if a company does not progress as rapidly as the market expects, there is sometimes little scope for error. The best growth stocks to buy in 2021 are no exception, and due to high expectations, some bear a higher-than-average risk. Regardless, there is a certain market momentum and long-term potential in the following 10 names that make them the top growth stocks to buy in 2021 and beyond. If you want to be updated about top latest motivation to grow up financially, don't forget to subscribe to Luxury Mojo for more content like this in the future. And don't forget to click that bell icon to stay updated of when we post next. Let's begin with stocks to buy this 2021. Square, ticker SQ. Payments and point-of-sale solutions company Square has been an out-and-out growth stock for a number of years. Its revenue has grown at a compound annual growth rate of 40.9% over the last 5 years. Last quarter, its numbers were even more stellar, with sales up about 140% year over year. A big chunk of Square's current growth comes from Cash App, its Venmo-like peer-to-peer mobile payments app. In the third quarter, Cash App's gross profits jumped 212% year over year, accounting for $385 million, or 48.5% of Square's total $794 million gross profit. Just a year earlier, Cash App's gross profits of $123 million accounted for just 24.6% of total gross profit. Square is now worth more than $100 billion, and analysts expect earnings per share to grow 38% annually over the next 5 years. Amazon.com, AMZN. While indeed one of the biggest companies on earth, Amazon has proven its uncanny ability to post spectacular growth rates despite its size, making it a natural member of 2021's best growth stocks to buy. For many years, Amazon denied itself profitability, choosing instead to expand its market share through the razor-thin margins while plowing every dollar back into long-term investments. Heading into 2021, AMZN remains a glorious tale of margin expansion combined with rapid top-line growth. Its international business just turned profitable in 2020. And for a company with $348 billion in trailing sales, Amazon's 37% growth rate last quarter is stunning. AMZN is still looking to disrupt other parts of the economy, reportedly planning its own primary health care services business it will offer to large employers. With healthcare spending accounting for more than 70% of the US economy, Amazon has its eye on the prize. NETEASE, NTES. Chinese online gaming company NETEASE may not be expanding as quickly as Square or Amazon, but its strong track record of growth, pipeline, and valuation makes it an attractive growth stock to buy for 2021. Sales growth over the last 5 years has clocked in at more than 38% annually and remains impressive with a 27.5% growth rate just last quarter. In development are games based on already popular franchises, such as Harry Potter, Lord of the Rings, Diablo, and Pokemon. Some of the more modestly priced stocks on this list, NTES trades for just 21 times towards earnings. In 2019, the company began a policy of paying out between 20% and 30% of earnings as a dividend each quarter, a practice that currently yields 1% for investors in the Asian growth stock. Your interest is important to us. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more content like this in the future, and click that bell icon to stay updated of when we post next. Enjoy the rest. Nautilus, NLS. Peloton, or PTON, is thought of as the high-end home exercise bike company, but for the money, competitor Nautilus is a better stock to buy. Nautilus doesn't just make its namesake workout equipment. The company also owns Bowflex and Schwinn, and it's following Peloton's lead by getting into the subscription trainer-led workout business. Last quarter, Nautilus's revenue jumped 152% year-over-year. This sort of pandemic-fueled growth can't last forever, but at about 13 times forward earnings, NLS looks like a steal, especially with high-margin reoccurring subscription revenue set to make a larger slice of Nautilus's overall business. Nautilus was also picked as one of the US and World Report's 10 best stocks to buy for 2021 overall. NETEASE Medicine, EDIT. NETEASE is arguably the most speculative of the best growth stocks to buy for 2021, as its value is wholly derived from its potential to successfully spearhead a futuristic, groundbreaking technology. One of the few pure plays on the CRISPR gene editing technique, one of NETEASE's scientific founders, Feng Zhang, conducted pioneer research critical to the development of CRISPR technology, which essentially allows humans to edit DNA. The $5 billion NETEASE has a leading candidate in clinical trials for the treatment of top cause of childhood blindness and filed with the U.S. Food and Drug Administration to begin clinical trials for the treatment of sickle cell disease. Though NETEASE's long-term prospects look promising, investors seeking to bet on the future of CRISPR in a more diversified way might consider owning a piece of CRISPR Therapeutics (CRSP) as well. Twitter. TWTR. Among the best-grown stocks to buy for 2021 is Twitter, which has enjoyed a unique position in the market for years as a live, crowdsourced tool for unearthing current events on a real-time basis. Twitter played an important role in the Arab Spring of 2011, and 10 years later, it remains a unique technological tool and an increasingly vital part of modern society. Growth in Twitter's monetizable daily active users has increased sharply in the last 2 years. For the first 4 quarters, MDAU growth ranged from 9% to 17%, while the last 4 quarters saw growth between 21% and 34%. Revenue is expected to jump by roughly 22% in 2021, as advertising revenue recovers from the 2020 recession. And if talk of testing a subscription model for some aspects of Twitter manifests into action, investors will likely applaud the effort to diversify its revenue streams. These were the stocks to buy this 2021. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you can join the Luxury Mojo squad and be a part of our channel. Thanks for watching.